Welcome students, today we will learn uses of water along with their spellings. Are you ready? Let's start. Drinking. D R I N K I N G. We all use water for drinking. Cooking. C O K I N G. We all use water for cooking. Washing. W A S H I N G. We all use water for washing our dishes. Brushing. B R U S H I N G. We all use water for brushing our teeth. Bathing. B A T H I N G. We all use water for bathing every day. Thank you students, you learnt usage of water and their spelling. Please listen it again and practice it. For such learning video please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.